Hello again, folks. So earlier I had posted a video showing how my drone had crashed today and how it started showing IRS error, and I exactly knew what was causing it. It was because of these four connection with the IRS sensor board. The solder came out, so I thought, you know, I would be able to solder it, but I didn't have wire thin enough and a soldering iron. I guess the tip is not tiny enough. Anyways, I went and bought these wires, soldering iron, and I did try it. I've been trying this for past at least 2 hours, but I just felt like I wasted all my time and money onto it, and it is pretty hard to solder it. From here to here. If someone really has the right tool and some good soldering skills, I'm pretty sure they should be able to do it. But anyways, this drone is a toast now. It's not gonna work. It's pretty much waste of all my money and time. But look what happens. Earlier when I turned it on, it was smoking from I don't know where. I must have done something wrong, but I would recommend not to try to solder it. Even though it might be doable if you are really good at soldering and you have good skills, but I wouldn't try this. Well, this is a garbage now. It's not gonna work. All right, good luck.